Hey, Matt here. Welcome to Mob Street. Today, we're gonna go do a little bit of scouting. So McKay's on the TW, we got the 80, we got my wife on that TW, and me and my daughter are on this one. Now look at this. My light's lighting up. Got the key on, ignition switch off, kickstand up. Now watch. I'm gonna hit my start switch. Nothing. Okay, so we're gonna push start this, and then later on I'm gonna show you what I think the problem is. So let's do it. Alrighty, up here hanging out, looking for a place to do a campfire and cooking dinner over it. So the TW is not starting. Now it's crazy because, let me give you a little bit of a background here. I took it for a ride yesterday, fired up just fine, and then I went on about a 15-mile ride, and I got back home and I went out to the backyard with it. Now, once I stopped in the backyard, I did a few things there that I was gonna do. Came back out, and this was the outcome. The key's on. See, make sure we're in neutral. Okay, so we barely have a little bit of light right there. Nothing. Hit the start switch, nothing. So put it in the comments down below what you think it might be. Now I have an inkling, so we're gonna walk around here a little bit, ride a little bit more, and head home. Now I did park a little bit more uphill so that I could bump start it on the way out of here, and then we're gonna see what the problem is and fix it. Now that we're home, one of the very first things that you want to do when you're doing anything electrical is check your battery. So we have the seat off, and I'm gonna come up here. I'm just gonna check my connections here. So that one feels tight, and that one feels tight. Let's take a look here and see what we got. Oh, well, look at that. That is called corrosion, and that is a nasty mess. So this stuff can actually cause the power to go into the corrosion itself, which is basically not allowing it to create a good connection. So we're gonna get that stuff out of there and get that cleaned up. We got our baking soda and water mix here. Look at that. That is going in and neutralizing that battery acid all the way across the top there. You might even just pour it a little slowly. Find yourself something that you can use to go in, maybe clean this stuff off. Careful not to get any of this on your clothes, or just wear clothes that you just don't care about. But we're just gonna go in and clean all this corrosion off of here. This is one reason I really don't, well, not that lead acid batteries are the only ones that corrode, but I'm not a fan of these lead acid batteries at all. I'm also not completely sold on the lithium ion batteries yet. So if we could have more of a AGM style battery that is a decent price. There we go. See all that coloration coming off of there? It's just that battery acid that's just getting cleaned up. So now these little posts right here, just you can actually take those out and clean them. They're just connected to the battery post, but yeah, not that much fun. Should give us quite a bit better connection now through here. So if anybody knows of a good AGM style battery that we can use for the TW, put that in the comments below if you would, please. Been looking around down here by me, and it's been kind of hard to find AGM style batteries for the TW. Alright, looks like we're getting most of it. Not very much more acid bubbling up. Once you get that cleaned, it's good just to hit over the top of it with some fresh water, just to get all that stuff off of there. There you go. Corrosion is cleaned off of there now. Okay, we're gonna slide our battery back into place here. We'll get her connected back up and see if that makes any difference. All right. So up here on our dash, you can clearly see our neutral light. Here goes. Ooh. Okay, now we're going to check our battery voltage and see where we're at. Alright, we're going to do our voltage meter here. $12.3. We want to be at 12.7, so it looks like we're a little low. So we'll throw it on the charger and see what it does. Alrighty, hooked up to the charger. Leave it on there for a little bit, see what we get. Well, shoot. This is the battery on the TW. It's been on the charger for a while now. This is what we get. Look at that. That right there is telling us that our battery is shot. So here I was thinking that it was a simple solution of the battery bolts being loose. Come to find out, the battery is dead. So guess we're gonna have to buy a new one. This is one reason why I do not like these lead acid batteries. They go dead super fast, and this is one thing that I've bought a lot of them, and I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to buy another one. So if you know where to get a good AGM style battery for the TW, or even a lithium ion for the TW that doesn't, you know, cost an arm and a leg, put that in the comments down below. I'm going to check Rocky Mountain and see what they have available. And if you need parts for your TW200, I'll put the link to Rocky Mountain down there below. It is an affiliate link. It helps me make more videos like this to get out and ride and be able to show you guys what's going on with the TWs. So if you need parts, check out those links below. And as always, hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. This was supposed to be a easy electrical diagnostics video, but can't do any electrical diag when your battery's dead, so we got to do that first. I'm Matt. This is Mob Street. Battery is still flashing. Thanks for watching.